Hi, welcome to GarageDoorWeatherSeal.com. This is a brief video on our 1 3/8 PVC flat retainer. There it is. This retainer is typically used for garage doors, but can be used for multiple other things. It's very adaptable and very easy to install. Basically, you pre-drill some holes here in between the two channels, mount it on the bottom of the door. Then it accepts the common 1/4-inch T-style weather seal, which is available in a wide selection. We have different widths, different materials, different colors. By far the most common weather seal used. This is a pretty straightforward product. Basically, fasten it on to whatever it is that you're going to slide the weather seal into, be it a garage door, be it something in a vertical application, slide the weather seal in, and you're all set. It measures, again, 1 3/8 across on the flat part. Thanks.